Two Friends and the Lost Wallet, a short story. One morning, Sarah and Dua were walking to school when they found a wallet on the road. Sarah said, "Let's keep it." But Dua replied, "No, it belongs to someone. We should return it." They went to the nearby police station and handed it in. Later, an old man came in crying he had lost his wallet. When he received it back, his eyes filled with tears of joy. He thanked the girl and said, "Your honesty made my day." The girls smiled, knowing they had done the right thing. Moral of the story is, honesty is always the best policy.